It's been 2 years since 4 neo-Nazis invaded my family's lake house and murdered my father. I'm 16 now. I've run away from 3 foster homes.
Diego, come.
This is Elena. I've lived with her for the past year.
We go now to a developing story. They call themselves the Noblemen, and they may be coming here to Fillmore. Whether or not the Noblemen decide to make an appearance at the town hall on Wednesday, only time will tell.
So are you gonna seat us? Or you're just gonna stand there?
Right this way.
Finally. She did that on purpose.
Diego, attack!
Diego?
Diego!
Saving our country and stopping the treason one vengeful mission at a time. To freedom.
Freedom. Who is it?
It's Becky.
You took my dog.
Should we go to the cops?
I got enough weaponry in my barn to start an insurrection at town hall tomorrow. Find the girl and give her back her dog! It was fun while it lasted.
It's not over yet.